Oh yeah, you're gonna get wet.
Okay. Holy fuck.
Bloody pigeons. Oh, this is cool.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Oh, we need to do an introduction to your little camera.
I don't do introductions. Look at that. That would have been someone's window. What a weird place. Are you just
Hi and welcome to Leo.
Where'd that go? Oh. Oh, that's an actual manhole.
Get in.
No, it's very gunky. Oh, it's rock. Oh.
That's good water. Okay. I would take you somewhere like.
That is a storm release valve. Anytime the water gets too heavy on the other side, that busts open and floods that way. Good job it's not raining. Oh god, I didn't realise I put that there.
Aww.
Someone's little heroin needle.
Oh.
Oh, they're everywhere. Oh god. It's a nice bridge though. It's an old bridge. You know, or whatever clutter. Someone's office window. Casual.
The next bit is about 20-30 meters of cool, or like really low level.
Don't fall over. She's been busy. This feels more claustrophobic than a cave to me. Knowing how much city is above our head.
When I came down here last year, I think it was, there was a lot of smoke because there was somebody who created a fire at the other end.
I'm on the wrong side. Oh god.
It's good that you were on that side.
Oh. Ow. It's more romantic things to be doing.
This is just perfect. So that is the taxi drop-off point just up there. This was under the station.
Oh my god, they're everywhere. There's so many of them.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh. Oh, it literally goes under the station. Oh, interesting. Right. That's not how I expected it to work. Big drop.
Oh, the water level is very low.
It is low, yeah. Bloody hell.
Yeah. How cool is that? Oh look, there's some stalactites. Look above us. There, and then over there as well. Stalactites. That's from the water dripping down through the rock and stony corners. And bits of stalactites from the minerals that it's come through. Look at that. Little seeds.
Yeah.
If we turned our lights off now, all of them, we can give it a chance to see what they're growing in. Including yours. That's alright. That's what they're growing in.
I don't understand how plants do this sometimes.
Look around as well. There's no natural light, so your eyes will never get used to it as well. It's brilliant. Still the old bricks actually. I don't know if that's really old bricks, but around Megatron there are kind of old bricks where they didn't know what to do with all. Oh, sweet! They didn't know what to do with all of their rubbish. They just put it in Megatron, which is what you see here. I don't know if these are the old bricks, but on some of them you can tell they're old bricks because they have a lot of writing on them, and they'll have the date on them.
Iron.
As well.
I don't think that one's particularly old.
But, no, probably not that one, but you do see them around sometimes.
Bits of pot everywhere.
Oh.
Oh, it's a CD drive. With
Oh, it's got a CD in it though.
no, that's the. I think that's the drive underneath it.
Oh.
The CD goes on top, and then that's the thing that plays it. Have they? Oh my God! What are you doing down here, buddy?
What is it?
Can't remember the name. Come here. Just look. It's a big animal.
An animal?
Yeah, he's living.
Okay.
Although I think the poor buddy's missing something. He's missing a claw.
Oh yes, they are native to this stream here in Megatron, the River Sheep. And what the council are trying to do is reintroduce them back into the stream, because a couple of years ago, even just a couple of years ago, this stream was so polluted that no fish could live here. So what the environmentalists of Sheffield are trying to do is they're trying to make it clear enough so that goodness me.
Tunnel's peeing.
Oh, it's coming from up there.
Yeah.
Make it clear enough so that animals can live here again.
Aww.
Wow. So yeah, you find a few of them, a few hanging around.
Oh, it's a venue card.
Some more stalactites. They're straws actually, aren't they?
They are straws,
Did
yeah.
I mentioned straws to you the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are what straws are. There are spelae of them. That is calcite, which is what you normally find in caves. That's where the limestone is
Very
built
thin.
up over time to create basically mini stalactites, but because they're so skinny, they're mini straws.
Aww. Hiding in the corner, nesting.
This is where you bring the dinghy and get a boat.
Oh. Bloody Nora. That's gone deep. She's frog marching on. Someone stop her. Oh. Okay. It's really dry then if it can't even get over this. Oh.
Got an egg, look, can you see the egg?
I cannot, no. But let's not go near it. Oh yeah.
This is a baby on our right as well.
There, these are weird tunnels now.
I'm hoping something really exciting is going to be around here somewhere.
Way up.
Wow! That's beautiful. Oh shit. Oh.
It's huge. Fucking impressive bricks. Oh my god, they're huge. This looks like the end of the road, maybe. Looks fairly deep, doesn't it?
So the sense of urgency is really awesome and it feels exhilarating.
The noise is incredible.
Yeah.
There's so much bass here.
The last time I went here I got my crotch wet, so I'm hoping it's a lot lower this time.
Oh no.
That was in February though, so... They've been fighting against the car.
Oh. Oh my good gracious.
Trying to go a couple of days, yeah. About 2 days.
Sorry, I tripped. I told you I'm clumsy. Might be the point of no return.
We're about to hit the line here.
So you daren't go further? Oh god, going further. It's shrinking. Yeah. Why are we going back? No, as soon as you get here there's a pipe. I'm standing on a pipe. You missed the pipe. You missed the pipe. Oh.
I'm scared. Something under the bike. Probably one of those push stations. Come on. Can we use this?
Yeah. Right, still on. I am wet. Nora. Where have we just found ourselves? We have made
I
ourselves...
saw a camera and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, we are in a water treatment plant.
Don't want to.
Elise Freshwater Blizzards taking a big deep dive.
Oh.
Deep down under.
Oh. None of me feels good about this.
Wow, that's a move. I'm not replicating that. Why would you do that? You maniac. Hop off. Thanks for the outro.
Well, I'm going to give you another reason you'll need surgery.
I haven't stopped recording yet. I have proof. If I get broken more, it's Elise.